Hello nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. People, I know you've been waiting for it because I've been waiting for it. My December Mani by Me box, I don't know if it got lost in the mail, y'all, or if you could just really tell that there was some postal drama going on in December. It didn't get to me till after Christmas, so I'm just now opening it. Today is January the 5th, so I'm just now getting to it, and this box has seen better days, y'all. So let's go ahead. It's already ripped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up like that. I'm glad I made it in one piece though. Oh, I forgot, there's brushes. I'm so excited about them. Y'all, it's been a minute. Like, not even playing. Did I get everything? Did everything come out? There's my receipt. All right. Checking, everything came out. Oh, this is, oh, now look, y'all, matchy. Oh my gosh. It was like it was meant to be or something. So let's just take a second to look at these. I don't like to look ahead of time, but y'all can. Go ahead and have a look. Feel free to pause if you like. I'm not going to read because I don't know all the specifics. I'll come back to that later. There is, and I will be doing a Mani by Me tutorial for this, but there's a tutorial about Starblaze Castle. Ew, pretty. Uh-oh. Was it a blue and a gold that the polishes were? I don't really remember. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna do some reverse stamping with the tutorial. Oh, maybe a little glitter application. Thunder. Oh no, we're applying Thunder or your favorite flaky polish. So I guess one of them is a flaky polish maybe? All right, I'm excited, let's in. I'm in, let's do this. I am super excited. Oh, my thingy got ripped. Bummer Skooski. That box was looking rough, y'all, but that's okay. I appreciate that they're not doing a box inside of a box anymore, honestly. Uh-oh. As long as my nail things don't get messed up, it looks like there was some damage done to the protective coverings, but you guys, these brushes could be everything my heart desires. Look how detailed those are gonna be. Oh my goodness, how super fine. Oh, I'm super, super duper excited about using these. They better be amazeballs. They look like they're just different lengths, but they're all kind of the same thickness, which is super thin. For that detail work, you have got to use a teeny tiny little brush, and most of the times the brushes that I use don't cut it. Here's probably one of the good ones that I have, and you can see the thickness of it compared to the thickness of these other ones. It's even too big. It's even too fat. So I am super de-duper excited to be using these brushes. Thank you, Maniology, for including those in our Mani by Me box. Can't wait, cannot wait. Definitely gonna be using them in the tutorial. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. All right, let's get in here, see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna grab some scissors so I can open up this guy right here. You know what? I need to have multiple pairs of scissors. Why don't I have multiple pairs of scissors hanging around here? I have a whole nail room, a dedication of nail goodness. All right, we're gonna swatch these bad boys in a momentito, but it's so pretty. I did not know it had shimmer. Okay, so this is Whimsy, and it does have a pretty shimmer. And if you remember the last video, I was asking if the tops were gonna stay kind of matte and scratchy because I didn't love it. And it looks like they are. I don't love it. The brush inside was not quite as great as the ones before, but we'll see how it is this time. The other color is called Folklore, and it's a gray color. So maybe in our tutorial, Thunder. What the poop is Thunder? That's not one of these colors. Am I missing it? Do I know a different color? Maybe Thunder is one of their other flaky polish colors. So I might have to pull out a different flaky because I don't think I have one of theirs. Anyway, we'll figure it out. And we will swatch these here in just a little bitty moment. Until then, put those off to the side. Oh, I got a different sticker. You say Stamping Addict like it's a bad thing. Yeah, yeah, that's me. Okay, and then we have our two magical plates. And it looks like they're kind of fantasy themed or castle themed. We've got MXM069 and 070. So let's have a closer look at what's on these guys. I'm going to try to avoid most of the glare. We'll see if that can happen or not. We've got mushroom and forest kind of designs. Ooh, a creepy dark forest. We've got some different magical creatures like water dragons. Oh, I see this. Here's the ocean or the sea, and here's your magical undersea creatures. We've got mermaids and what are those guys called? Seahorses. Oh, this is very galactic looking, like otherworldly. This is a really pretty design right here. This kind of gives me Christmas vibes. I don't know why. Maybe because these look kind of like Christmas trees to me, but I think it's intended to be a forest with a moon. And these little creatures are, dare I say, they're kind of creepy, but very cool at the same time. Okay, let's see what's on the other one. So this is MXM070. And we've got no idea what that is. Is it a cavern? Is it a lake? Are these creatures? Oh, it's like I think it's a cave because these are crystals coming out of there. Here's from the tutorial, here's that castle in the sky kind of thing. We've got an archway. We've got this very cool looking creature with wings here. We've got more creatures in the middle with like dragon tails and beastly looking guys. Very mythical, fantastical kind of creatures. This is very sci-fi looking background things. Ooh, that's kind of cool. A dragon flying. All right, and it looks like a stump with some overgrown forest stuff in a forest. Oh, this is really pretty. You could totally use that for something else as well. Okay, so that's gonna be fun. Let's go ahead and get into some of the swatches. Let me get my stamping stuff ready for you. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. And you know, while I'm swatching these, I just wanna say thank you, Maniology. Like, I am so impressed with these. I hope they work as good as I think they're going to work. I have bought just about every brush that Maniology offers. And I tell you what, like, they haven't always been the best for detail work specifically. So I am very, very excited. You know, with reverse stamping, you have to have a good detail brush. If you don't, it's a game changer to actually have a good detail brush. Okay, so we're gonna start with this first color. This was the Folklore color, and I'm using my Monocle stamp pad. Come on now. Okay, get that on there, get it on, we gonna get it on. Okay, and this is a very pretty kind of bluish gray color. Really pretty. Love it. I'll also do a swatch. I haven't been doing swatches on fake nails for you guys, but I'll do a swatch for that in just a moment. Okay, let me clean off my stamp and we shall start again. And my plate, my plate and my little doodad right there. And then we're gonna be looking at the Whimsy color. Little stickers coming off. This is really pretty. Yeah, you guys can pick up on it a little bit. It's that really pretty blue. Almost, it's very similar to what I've got on my nails right now, which is a gel polish. But it has this iridescent kind of shimmer to it, which is really pretty. I wonder if it's gonna pick up when you stamp it, when we stamp it, or when we use it otherwise. Okay, here we go. I did not do enough of the stamp, so that was kind of dumb, but whatever. Okay. Super pretty. It almost looks like it's going to be a little bit translucent. A little see-through. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but it's really super pretty. I love you guys. Okay, let me get some fake nails ready so I can swatch these for you and so you can see what they look like painted on a nail. Okay, so I've prepped 2 nails and I just realized that I haven't done some of the videos I said I was gonna do on some of the other cool new stuff that I've gotten. I need to spend some time doing that. Okay, our first color is Folklore, and this was that really pretty gray. Oh. It is so good to have a good gray. One that's not too light, not too dark. Super excited about this. It looks like maybe 2 coats would be a better option, so I'll probably go ahead and apply one and then apply another coat. On camera, it looks a little bit more blue than it really is though. It does have blue undertones, but it's definitely a great color. Now for Whimsy. Whimsy. It's just so whimsical. All right, I hope, oh, it does. That iridescent shimmer I was talking about, it does pick up in the light. I'm so happy about that. Definitely gonna need 2 coats. It's not translucent, but on the other hand, you definitely will need 2 coats. I haven't noticed anything crazy about the brushes that I've noticed before, so good thing. Well, except for maybe they are splaying out a little bit on the ends. I think maybe the brush quality is not as good as it was before. It's not terrible, it's not bad, and certainly I don't see major streaking going on, but I am going to, oh, except for I didn't cover everything. It's because I chose these gigantic nails. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then we'll do a second coat and see what it looks like after that. Okay, that's dried for just a few minutes. Let me go ahead back in with the Folklore color, that grayish color. Let's give it a little bit of love. Definitely, I would say would need 2 coats for this one. And we'll have a look at how it dries too, whether it dries matte or shiny. Oh, that is a great gray. I know it looks like it has a more bluish tint. They go great together, by the way. But this one looks like it has more of a blue tint, and it really, it does have a blue tint, but it definitely appears more gray than it does on camera. And then our Whimsy color, I just love the little sparkle that's in it. The little iridescent shimmer. You can kind of see, super pretty. I like it a lot. And I would say you want 2 coats of this as well, obviously. So pretty though. Ugh, I love me a good blue. I like a blue that's not royal blue. You know what I mean? Oh, that is really pretty, y'all. I like it. So this is kind of what they look like stamped versus what they look like on a nail. Let me see if I can move this out the way. So 2 really great colors. Kinda love it. Kinda love it. Okay, let me dry for that for a little bit so we can see how they look dry. Okay, so here we have it. It looks, these have had about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes to dry, and it looks like both of them are gonna dry shiny. And this is the Folklore and Whimsy color. Both super pretty, really nice. Let's go over everything that's gonna come in this kit. Excuse me, this kit. This is the December 2021 Mani by Me box. So we get the 2 colors, Folklore and Whimsy. We get the 2 beautiful MXM069 and 070, very whimsical, fantasy-like. And then we also got this fun sticker. I did not get any candy, and that's okay, Maniology. I still love you anyway. I did get an awesome sticker though. And on top of all that, you guys, our gift, our different thing this month was these really cool, fantastic detail brushes that I absolutely cannot wait to use. So thank you, Maniology, so much for thinking about us and thinking about all of our nail needs. People, I hope you love Maniology as much as I do. If you do, I would suggest that you run on over to their website, maniology.com, get yourself 10% off your order using the code GrooveMama. Groove Mama is also my Instagram name, so I mean, go ahead and follow me there. That'd be alright, and then you can see like my designs and stuff there. Okay. And until we meet again, I do hope that you decorate every nail you got. Bye.